If you love to read books, then the same content of this series, I for Investment, is available in a readable format. The name of the book is I for Investment, Applying Common Sense While Nurturing Your Portfolio of Stocks. Click on the below link and grab your copy today.
Welcome to your own channel, Romance with Finance, a brand of Financial Freedom Hub. On this channel, you get the videos and information related to personal finance. In one of our previous videos, wherein we discussed about the snacks that we eat, and we also discussed about how those snacks can help us in identifying some of the companies which are listed in Indian stock markets in order to take a step forward towards our investment decisions. Now, when we talk about snacks, we create a picture in our mind of some fried food items, fried morsels and fried grains. And when we imagine frying, we are introduced to cooking oil. All of the fried food that we cook is fried in oil. It can be a mustard oil, sunflower oil, soybean oil, olive oil, and so on. You all must have heard about this brand, Fortune. Fortune is a brand of Adani Group. Adani Enterprises is listed in the stock markets. In the previous videos, we also discussed about diversification. So let us explore if Adani Enterprises has diversified businesses or not. Other products of Adani Enterprises are packed basmati rice, pulses, soya chunks, gram flour, which is besan, and the Fortune Chakki Fresh flour. The product portfolio of Adani Wilmar is distributed among various brands such as Fortune, Kings, Bullet, Rag, Avsar, Pilaf, Jubilee, Freola, Alpha, and Aadhar. Do you think that people will stop consuming the cooking oil, rice, pulses, soya chunks, besan, or dough? These are the products which are almost used on a daily basis. There we go. Here again, just by applying our daily routine and common sense, we have figured out a company wherein we can invest through stock markets in the long run. All these cereals such as rice, pulses, wheat, pearl millet, sorghum are consumed by us on a daily basis. Pearl millet and sorghum are also served as a fodder to birds. Now think for a moment from where we purchases these groceries and other stuff such as dough, pulses, rice. Either we purchase it from a nearby local shop or we purchase this stuff online. Now think for a moment, will the food and grocery items will run out of demand? Never. Till the time there is life on this planet, the demand for this industry will remain intact, or in fact it will increase. Here we have also figured out a business and a sector just by observing our lifestyle. So let's take a look at these companies. Reliance Mart, a company which has a chain of retail outlets. Reliance Mart is a subsidiary of Reliance Industries Limited. As we could figure out a lot of companies by analyzing our lifestyle and our daily routine, so the question arises in which company we should invest by purchasing the stocks. Because it can happen that one company is performing positively and another company might perform negatively due to numerous reasons. Therefore, in order to eliminate that confusion, we as an investor can buy the entire index or the index funds. Similarly, as we bought the basket of the fruits to get all type of nutritions, index fund is like a basket of all the good stocks which is traded on the stock exchange similar to the individual stocks.
Hope this video was useful to you and you have learned something today. If yes, then